Alright, so can we give again a very thunderous applauses to our commencement speaker, Dr. Anthony A. Palantan, for giving us a thought-provoking message. And I hope that everyone of you has actually captured, were able to capture it, the message that he told to all of us, that your presence today, though you have already reached to the pinnacle of the success, there is really a message, and that is really for accountability. What else? You have to work passionately so that you yourself can become also nation builders in the near future. And so, because all of us are so delighted with the message of our commencement speaker, may invite Dr. Palantan to be at the center stage, along with our school administrator, the school president of AMI College Incorporated, Dr. Maria Agnes Roblico, and rest of our officials of the AMI College Incorporated, as we are going to present the Certificate of Appreciation. Before that, I'd like to request our officials to please be at the center along with Dr. Anthony Palantan. Let me read to you first the content of the Certificate of Appreciation. AMI College Incorporated, Balitangan, Boabul, Lanao del Sur. Certificate of Appreciation is proudly presented to Dr. Anthony K. Palantan, a grateful recognition of the valuable time, knowledge, and inspiration he has shared as a commencement speaker during the 8th commencement exercises of AMI Colleges Incorporated, held on the 5th day of October 2025 at Proman Hotel, Cagayan de Oro City. His words and wisdom have delighted and motivated our graduates to strive for excellence, embrace challenges, and contribute meaningfully to the society. Given this 5th day of October 2025 in Cagayan de Oro City, Philippines, signed the school president, Dr. Maria Agnes P. Roblico. Let us give our appreciation through our massive round of applause. Thank you so much once again. We would like to express our deep gratitude to Dr. Anthony Palantan. Palakpakan muli sa isang maganda at mensahe na napakabigat at kaya-kaya naman natin gagawin bilang mga bagong graduate ng taong 2025. Maraming po salamat. Thank you so much, sir. At this point in time, ladies and gentlemen, as we go deeper to our program, I know everyone will be excited with this, the presentation of the candidates for graduation. At this point in time, we call on Ms. Lizelle Siliera Maet, our school registrar, for the presentation of the candidates for graduation. And following this one will be the confirmation of the degrees to be given to us by Mr. Alberto T. Ramirez Jr., the program head designate of the postgraduate status.